Welcome to this demo of Odoo Accounting, a smart integrated solution that simplifies everything from invoicing and vendor bills to real-time financial reporting. In this video, we will cover the whole Odoo Accounting, including configuration, customer account data, vendor account data, and accounting journal entries and reporting section. So first of all, I will explain you the fiscal localization package. So what is the fiscal localization package? In Odoo, a fiscal localization package refers to a set of specific accounting configuration that help businesses meet local tax law, chart of accounts, invoicing format, and financial reporting requirements. For example, I have installed the fiscal localization package for the India. So after installing it, it has already configured some basic chart of account, some basic taxes. As you can see that GST is only applicable in India. So after installing the Indian region fiscal localization package, it install the chart of accounts, taxes, and other data. Apart from the fiscal localization package, you can also set up some other accounting data like taxes. You can add your default sales tax, default purchase tax, you can add your fiscal country, you can add your main currency, you can set up customer invoices data, you can add your sales credit limit, okay, you can activate the checks payment, you can add different default accounts for the bank suspense, internal transfer, for the discount gain, discount loss. You can add the bank and cash, fiscal periods, analytic accounts, and budget management. Now I will explain you the chart of account. Okay, so uh, if you will install fiscal localization package, then it will automatically configure some basic chart of account. But if you think that your chart of account is not available, then you can also create it manually. For that, you can add the code, the chart of account code. You can add the name of the chart of account. Here I am uh, writing a new chart of account. Okay, my chart of account type is income. Here you can see the multiple chart of account type. Basically, we have two types of chart of account: balance sheet and profit and loss. In balance sheet, we have asset, liabilities, and equity. And profit and loss, we have income and expense account. Okay, so here you can set according to your need. Okay, in the view button, you can see the complete detail of chart of account in a form view. Okay, after that, you can also configure the taxes. Here, you can specify the type of taxes. In this time, this is the sales tax, so I am adding the 3% VAT, my tax name, and my tax computation will be a percentage. Here we have different type of computation like fixed percentage, group of taxes, custom formula, and others. Here I will add the amount which is 3% in this time. Okay, and after taxes you can configure the journals. Here you can create multiple types of journal like purchase journal, sales journal, back and cash, credit card, miscellaneous type of journals. Okay, you can also activate the different currencies like INR, USD, AD, and you can add the fiscal positions, you can add the tax groups, you can see the multiple payment provider which is inbuilt in Odoo. Okay, if you want to customize any third party payment provider, then you can also do it by customization. Here we have the Payment providers like PayPal, Receipt Pay, Mobile, Molly, SEPA Direct Payment, Siprocket. Okay. In the asset models, you can create the models for the assets for your company asset. And apart from this, you can add the multiple payments methods like cash on delivery, demo. You can add the payment terms like immediate payment, 50% now, 50% after delivery. You can add according to your company policy. You can add your own bank accounts. You can also create some reconciliation module to reconciliation models to reconcile your accounting data automatically. Okay. So you can also manage your budget. You can also add Incoterms. You can create new Incoterms. Okay. Now our next part will be the customer invoices. Here you can create your new invoices for the customer. You can simply create or select new customer, select product or create new product. Here I'm selecting the remote card. Okay, here you can add the income account. You can add the analytic account. Okay, my invoicing data is today. Just confirm it and it will automatically create a journal entry. Here you can see the related journal items. Okay, after that you can pay this invoices. I'm just selecting the journal. Here you can select any journal. In this time I'm just selecting the bank journal. Okay, just create a payment. After creating a payment, you can just validate it. After validating, you can see this is in payment stage. Okay, it's mean it is not reconciled yet. So for reconcile this payment, we will go to the dashboard. We'll go to the bank journal, and after that we will create a new record time. And my my partner is ABC customer, and my amount was 1500. Okay, and in memo I will add the my memo. Okay, so just click on it. It will match the record. After matching, just click on the validate. So after validating, just go back in invoices. You will see my invoice is paid. It's mean it is reconciled now. Okay. If you want to create a credit note for this invoices, then just click on the credit note button and select the journal and just click on the reverse button and confirm it. After confirming, it will reverse the journal entry. Okay, you can also see this journal entry in accounting section in journal entry. Here you can see the journal entry for the invoice 1500, and for the reverse invoice on credit note it is minus 1500. It means it is credit note. Okay, after that you can also see the payments, all the payments. If you will remove the filter, you can see the all payment including the vendor payment and customer payments. Okay, minus one is the vendor payment and the plus one is a customer payment. If you want to create the batch payment, then it is also possible in batch payment section. Just in select the in batch type, inbound and outbound. And in case of customer payment, we will select the inbound. In case of vendor payment, we will select the outbound. Okay. In the bank and payment method, and select the content. You can add multiple payments and just click on the validate. Okay. Just like the customer invoices, you can also create the vendor bills in vendor bills section. Here, this is very simple, just like the invoices. Select the vendors and add the products and just like the bill date and hit the confirm button and our bill is created. Okay, you can also create refund of the any bills using refund button. You can create a payment for the vendors. Okay, this is how we can create invoices and bills for the customer and vendor and manage it. Okay, after that you can see all the journal entries in the journal entries submenu. Okay, you can see the journal after individual journal items in journal item section. You can also see the transfer. If you want to create any automatic payment, any automatic transfer, then you can do from here. You can add the original accounts and match with the other accounts. Okay, you can schedule it a monthly, quarterly, yearly. Now this is the analytic budget. If you want to create any budget for your project for your company, then you can do from here. It will manage the all income and expense account, all and income and expense budget of your company or your any internal or external project. Okay, if you have assets in your company, then you can manage using asset buttons and assets submenu. Here you can create your asset like I have laptop of HP. Okay, its original value was 1,000, and here you can add your depreciation method. What will be the actual amount after 5 years? You can calculate using depreciation method. Okay, what will be the computation? Just add the account. In this time, I'm adding some random account. Just expense account. Okay, just add the expense account. Okay, and just compute it. Here you can see the laptop price of laptop price in March 2027, March 2028, 2029, 2030, 31. Okay, you can also post the journal entries for this asset. So here you can manage your all assets of your companies. Okay, in this section, you can manage loan of your company. Okay, actual loan amount, the interest rate of loan. So here you can see manage the loan. This is not the employee loan. This is for the company loan. Okay, in the log date, you can log all the journal entries for the sales. If you want to log journal entries for the specific date, means I want to enable that my accounting team should not create any invoices after 15 of July. Then I can set this log date as 15 July, then it will show warning if anyone will create any invoices after the 15 July. Let me set yes 20 July. Okay, you can also set log date for purchase, taxes, and for everything. Okay. Next is a reporting. Odoo Accounting provides smart financial reports that help you to track performance, follow accounting standards, and make confident decisions. In Odoo, we have multiple types of accounting report like balance sheet. In balance sheet, you can track assets, liabilities, and equity of your company. In profit and loss, you can track income and expenses of your company. Okay. In cash flow statement, you can check all the incoming and outgoing cashes. Next is a journal ledger. In journal ledger, you can see all the transaction, means individual transaction of your invoices and bills. You can also see the reverse invoices, refund, credit note, debit notes, bank transaction and all. Here you can see all the chart of accounts and its entries. After then you can see the trial balance. Here you can see only the end balance of any chart of account. So what is the difference between general ledger and trial balance? General ledger is a detailed record of all transaction posted to individual accounts, and trial balance is a summary report that shows the ending balance of each account. Okay. So apart from this, you can also see the journal audits. You can see the partner ledger where you can see the reporting of your partner, means customer or vendors. In edged receivable, you can see the data of customer. You can only see the data of customer. In edge payable, you can only see the data and payments of your vendors. In invoicing analysis, you can see the invoices data. And apart from these, you can also see the deferred revenue, deferred expense reporting. If you are from India, then you can also see the report of GST. Okay, you can see loan analysis, you can see the budget report, is payable, product margin. Okay, so this is the all reporting data. Okay. So it was the all complete flow of Odoo Accounting. If you have any queries, then contact to Icon Text or Private Limited. Okay.